Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pan and zoom in on images using video in Canva. It's quick, easy, and adds a dynamic touch to your designs or videos. Let's get started. First, open Canva and choose a presentation or video format. Upload the image you want to animate. Now duplicate the page. On the new page, zoom into a corner or any part of the image you want to focus on. Keep duplicating the page and adjusting the position and size of the image to create the zoom and pan effects. Maybe go from top left to bottom right, or zoom in and zoom back out. Once done now, go to the transition section and choose Match and Move between each slide. Set the transition speed to fast and make each slide play for 0.5 seconds. If they don't all update correctly, toggle the settings again to apply to all pages. Now set his slide change timing into 1 second. Now play the full animation. You'll see it zooms in, pans across, zooms out, and returns to the original, all smoothly. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.